What's up, guys? Rich here, and we are going to unbox SWC's Trench, and I believe this is the Oxidized edition. It just arrived, so I just opened it from the outer envelope, and here is the packaging, so let's get to it. And okay, this is the this is a leather, like a travel wallet here. There's a SWC branding. Let's get this open. Make sure the watch doesn't fly out. All right, there's something here. Rich, thank you very much for your order and support. It means a great deal to us. We hope you enjoy your trench for many years to come. Best regards, Stephen, Josh, Jacob, and Jeremy Romer. I know them all. This is a really great watch family, just great people in general. So oh, what's this? Regulation. Okay, this is for the accuracy of the movement. Looks like a warranty card, an extra strap. But let's get to the watch in here. And yep, it is the oxidized version. They have a lot of different or several different versions here. This is the Oxidized, meant to look like that patina vintage look here, but they also have it in white without the faux oxidizing, blue, black, and a gray. So let me, peel this off here. Okay, this is really nice. This is a 38mm titanium case here, and but it's also hardened, according to SWC, to 1000 Vickers, and that's going to add to its scratch resistance. Now, it doesn't add any weight to the titanium case. This is an extremely light watch, as you would expect from titanium, but they've added that hardened coating because titanium is more prone to scratching than steel overall. But to help put that into perspective, what does 1000 Vickers mean, or how strong or how protective is that? Well, to put that into perspective, Rado's Nanotech, I believe, is the hardest known watch at 10,000 Vickers, and Zinn has one, I think the Tegment, is about 1,500 Vickers, and Hublot's Magic Gold, I think, is at 1,000 Vickers, which is the same as this Trench. So 1,000 Vickers is definitely capable and very high, a very high number to add to the scratch resistancy for the hardening of this, just to put that into perspective. And SWC is also one of the best in the business with their lume, and they've added 20 layers of C3X1 green super luminova. It has a crystal domed sapphire crystal front, solid case back, and the movement on this, which is what attracted me to it, is the manual wound Sellita Swiss 210 movement. So anyone that appreciates their manual wound movement, this is going to be a nice addition to add, especially if most of our watches are in automatic. So this is the leather strap. It's a genuine leather. It's also aged a little bit to match the dial. And I'm not usually a fan of faux patina on the dials, but I think this one works really nicely, because especially if we have other watches that don't have the faux patina, I think this is a nice addition to add to it. It's really, really sharp here. This is a really nice size in 38mm, just really nice. And let's check out the crown. Okay, so it's a push-pull crown, and according to SWC's website, it is water resistant to 100 meters. It has drilled lugs, but it also, well, you can see here, let me see, drilled lugs on the case, but they also used a quick release spring bars for the strap. Interesting combination, but I like it. I like this. I actually like the look of drilled lugs, but I do like the convenience of the quick release strap, so no tools are required or needed to change out the strap. The leather seems to be nice quality here. It's nicely padded. Overall, really sharp, This oxidizing is really different, really sharp. I think this is definitely unique in a good way. The numbers are nicely legible. 38mm again is a really nice sweet spot for a lot of us. So because of the oxidizing, it's not going to be as much of a dress watch. as more of a casual watch, but the other colors would be. Okay, there it says Trench on the, move this. Let me just check this out here. I'm gonna move the hour, the time. Okay, see, it says Trench, rather noticeable there, right above 6 o'clock. It doesn't take away from the dial, though. It's still a relatively clean dial, with even though the text in Trench is a little on the larger side. Oh, but let's see. It also had an extra strap. So let's take a look at this one. This is the bonus nylon strap it comes. Okay, it's nice. It's soft. It also looks like it has a quick release bars there. Let me see how this would look on this. I think I'm going to keep it on the leather, but this is a nice option. It's really soft. It's a nice strap. This packaging though is sharp, and looks, there's a warranty card that I touched on earlier. It looks like extra room here for extra straps on here. Really nice packaging here. So I am impressed by this, and I'm glad I got to unbox this right away. The price is $595 on this. So, you know, all SWC watches are Swiss made, if that's important to you, and they're all really great quality. And I think they all represent really a strong value because of the quality of the watches. And it's not surprising, because the Romer family, especially Steven, the patriarch there, he's been in the business for a really long time. They know what they're doing, and they really delivered on a nice looking oxidized trench. I am a little bit more surprised than I was thinking about how much I would like this style, because this is really growing on me. I really like this style a lot. I think this is going to look really sharp on with jeans and a t-shirt, which is how I generally dress anyway. So 38 millimeters, really nice. So if you like what you see here, if you're looking for another SWC, and especially with a manual wound movement to add to our automatic collection, I think the Trench is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching me unbox this, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.